Yes, good morning sa honorable officials, Vice Mayor. Good morning.
Uh, Mr. Chair, can I inquire from our municipal treasurer para ma-confirm lang yun ang statement sa to ang Mitsum head. Wala pa yun sila, Sir Jer, naka-claim sa ilang incentives?
Wala ma'am.
Sa unsa nga rason to, sir, nga nung sila ka-claim from 2016? We are now on 2024.
Previously, naghimo sila og payroll appearing their names of the Mitsong personnel. When I referred it to DACUA,
Dili pwede.
DACUA answered nga dili sila pwede makaklaim for the reason nga they are employed.
Okay.
So mahulog nga double compensation.
Okay.
But DACUA advised me mag-prepare sila payroll using other name like PNP.